Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide sensitive content on X. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up X, click on your profile icon on the top left, then click on Settings and Support, then select Settings and Privacy. Then you want to go to Privacy and Safety. Once you're on here, select Content You See. Then you should see Sensitive Media at the bottom. So you can click on that. And you'll get three options on here. So graphic violence. You can obviously just select Never Show This. And you can do the same with adult content. And then again, Other. Just select Never Show This. And that's how you can turn off sensitive content on X. Thanks for watching.